Introducing a revolution in PP woven bag conversion. 5 Fingers presents India's first liner insertion with hemming machine. 4 modes, 1 machine, transforming production like never before. Industries like sugar, fertilizer, and flour are facing a growing demand for liner bags. But manual processes are slow, labor-intensive, and prone to quality inconsistencies. The BCS liner insertion with hemming machine solves it all. Insert liners, hem tops, handle multiple bag sizes, automatically, efficiently, and consistently. This next-generation technology eliminates errors, reduces labor, and accelerates production. 1 machine, 4 modes, maximum performance, setting new benchmarks in PP woven bag conversion. Manufacturers are now producing more, faster, and with superior quality. From small workshops to large-scale operations, the machine is redefining efficiency. Five Fingers, India's first BCS liner insertion with hemming machine. Innovating today for the demands of tomorrow.